Welcome! In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick and clear guide on how to enable vibration for call notifications on Messenger. If you've ever missed an important call because your phone was on silent or you just didn't notice the screen light up, turning on vibration can make a huge difference. Let's get started with the simple steps. First, grab your phone and open the main settings app. This is where you'll control all of your system and app preferences. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows you a full list of apps installed on your device. From here, look for Messenger and tap on it to open the app's settings. Once you're inside the Messenger settings, you'll see different options related to how the app works on your phone. Tap on Notifications because we're focusing on how alerts come through. Inside the notification menu, you'll find various categories that control different types of alerts. To make sure your calls specifically vibrate, tap on Notification Categories. Now, scroll and find the section labeled Calls. This is where you can control how Messenger notifies you when you're receiving a voice or video call. Go ahead and tap on Calls to open up the detailed options. Finally, you should see a toggle that says Vibrate. Simply switch it on and you're done. From now on, whenever you get a call in Messenger, your phone will buzz to grab your attention, even if you don't hear the ringtone or see the screen right away. And that's it. You've successfully enabled vibration for call notifications on Messenger. It's a small change, but one that ensures you never miss an incoming call again. Whether you're in a noisy environment or you prefer to keep your phone silent, vibration gives you that extra notification you need. If this step-by-step guide helped you out, take a moment to try it on your device right now. Thanks for watching.